In this video, you will learn how to use this agent to streamline the process of task creation by automatically breaking down a design request into clear user stories, features, and step-by-step instructions. Log into the platform and find the Figma to Jira converter agent. Initiate the application by clicking on Run App. Complete the task descriptions for your project. Provide detailed information such as the role, goal, and benefits for users. Also, describe the key features and step-by-step guides. For example, define the task as implementing an FTP-based EDI integration. The features include 940, 943, 944, and 997 transactions, and the output will follow the structure defined in the workflow. Additionally, the agent can present various ideas for comparison and generate more detailed Jira tasks. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Jira Task Converter Agent.